Once you've completed installing deck boards on your deck, you'll want to add handrails. We're using our deck foundation post for the rail post, so they'll have to be cut off at a uniform height above the deck. In this case, our rail will be 36 inches above the deck, which is common for most residential decks. Because building codes often vary, you should check with a local building department before you make that decision. The rails we're building include 3 components: 2x4s for the top and bottom rails, 2x2s for the balusters, and 5/4x6 deck boards for the rail caps. The bottom rail is positioned vertically to prevent sagging, and the top rail horizontally to provide lateral strength. The 2x2 balusters are cut square on the top and diagonally on a 45-degree angle on the bottom. The gap between the balusters should be less than 4 inches, so installing them on 5-inch centers will work with these 2x2s, which are 1.5 inch thick. We're using deck screws to assemble the rail, so there's no chance of loose nails later on. After each section is assembled on the deck, we stand them up and attach them to the post. The top rail is lined up with either edge and flush with the top of the post. Driving the screws into the post at an angle or toe screwing is the best way to attach them. The bottom rail is inset 1 inch from the outer edge of the post. The last step is to install the 5/4 rail cap, which is centered over the post. For longer runs, you may also need to join these boards on a 45-degree angle cut. It's best to do this over a post if possible. You'll also want to make 45-degree miter cuts wherever the rail caps join in a corner.